Hi, this is Kathy Keener with TRIFLEX and a short demonstration on how one might export data from an Excel spreadsheet with each of our report tabs and move it into Microsoft Word. Okay, so the first thing that you might do is just kind of narrow some of your columns. They might be like that size, and you might want to just narrow them a little bit. Same thing with the data location. The other thing that you might want to do is get your grid lines in there. So what I did is I highlighted this and I went to Home, Borders, and All Borders. Okay? Now, when you're ready to copy this into Microsoft Word, you can just simply hit this upper left-hand box where the arrow is, or you can highlight it like I did earlier. Control C, and you can have your Microsoft Word open or open it as well, but you need to make sure that the layout is going to be orientated as landscape. Okay, so layout, orientation, landscape, and then Control V into that spreadsheet, and you'll see that the column header's not there, and the columns are kind of truncated and not correct. So what we're looking for is this right here, this menu here, and we're going to right click on it. We're going to say Auto Fit and Auto Fit to Window, and that's going to get us all of our columns into the page. Okay. Then we want to take care of this situation where we don't have the column headers on every page. So we're going to highlight here like this and right click and go to Table Properties and go to the tab Row. And right here it says repeat as header row at the top of each page. And click that and press OK. And then if you look, you have your headers on every page where the table has been copied. All right, that's it. Thank you.